Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Guys, the unthinkable has happened. In less than a month of me owning my Tesla, I had to take it in for service. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Keith, and this is Empire State of Tesla, where I teach you how to operate, maneuver, control, FSD, charging in a major city like New York without home charging. All the tricks and trades, and hopefully all the things you need. So pretty much after a long day of work, I was ready to go home, get into my car, and put into FSD mode. And guess what? I got a fault message. Yes, mind you, it was raining cats and dogs all day in New York City. I get into my car, turn it on, boom, fault light signal. Right tail light malfunction.
No. Wait.
So pretty much I go out in the rain to check, and sure enough, my right tail light was flickering off and on constantly. Also, there was a lot of humidity in the right tail light. Houston, we have a problem. First thing I do, I drive home, park my car, get on the app, and request a service. You think I get it done right away? No. 8 full days later was the next available date in my area. Mind you, I want my FSD. I don't want to wait 8 days. So I kept on looking, expanded my search area, and was able to find a Tesla center that was in New Jersey that was able to take me in 7 days. So I accepted that. Went through the app, made the appointment, set the due time. The total estimate of my cost was $0, given the fact that I don't know if it's still under warranty or the fact that the car was 30 days old before I had this issue. But I set the appointment. So I made the appointment for 10:30 a.m. And once you complete the appointment date, it gives you a range from, your service will take from 10:30 to 12:30. And that's it. Then the day comes, and for some reason in my mind, I thought my appointment was at 12:30. Once I realized that I had made a mistake, I hopped in my car and zoomed to New Jersey. Got there about 12:15 a.m., but luckily they were still able to take me. Do mind that it's a little creepy that you arrive to your Tesla service center, the doors open, your car goes in, and they already know who you are, probably due to the app and due to your car. Still a little weird, though, that they know you by your first name the minute you walk in. They tell you to sit down, and they say it's going to take about an hour for your car to be serviced, at least for my issue. They didn't have to need to know the key or the password because they have full access to your car already. Once arriving to their service center, I was able to sit down and enjoy myself to their nice premium snacks and premium coffee. And it is very comforting to sit down there to see different posters and different images about Tesla. They also had a nice little shelf so you can see all different Tesla products, which was also pretty cool. I was able to walk around the lot to see all the different kind of Tesla cars and Tesla vehicles they had there, which was also pretty neat. Starting with the cheaper Model Y. This is the Model Y Premium. This is the Model Y Jupiter, which is a cheaper version. As you can see, the headlights are not this straight line light bar. Still has hardware 4 with the cameras. As you notice on the inside, there is no see-through moonroof glass. There is no back screen, which I don't think I can show you through this tent. Also, the back has the regular Tesla and no light bar. This is where we jump to the Premium, as you see with the carbon fiber spoilers, the plaid symbol in the back, the bigger rims, the screen in the back, the more premium leather seats with a nice plaid symbol on the seats. Also, the moonroof glass with the red brake clips. As you can see, it has the light bar with the more premium finish. And in about 30 to 45 minutes, the service provider came to me and told me that the flickering of my lights was due to a software issue, which he was able to fix. But he also agreed with me when he said he did not like the humidity in my right tail light. So he decided to get a service and to change the whole light bar. But guess what? They did not have the part in stock. So he decided he was going to send a Tesla service provider to my house to replace my light tail bar, which is cool. But then I have to wait another 3 days.
Because I heard him first. I said, hold on. I said, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Also, in that moment, I tried to get a little free FSD, given the fact that it was almost a week that I did not have full self-driving due to the fault. He said he would try his best, bring it up to his higher-ups through emails to see if I could get a free FSD for a month, but also told me it'll probably take a month or two before I get a response. Hopefully I get a free month because, listen, I wasn't able to enjoy my free month of FSD.
I want it now!
So 3 days later, it's now time for the service guy to come to my house and replace my light bar. First thing I do is I wake up. The appointment was supposed to be from 7 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. He's running behind schedule, and if I want to reschedule, no, I don't want to reschedule. I want my car fixed now. I've been waiting over a week for my car to be fixed. How soon is this guy coming? No response. Do I want to reschedule? No. Still no response. The guy didn't show up till 11:30 a.m. But you know what? I'm going to be late for work because I want my car fixed. I didn't record this part because I don't know. I feel kind of weird recording a service guy coming to fix my car. We discussed it. He said he sees what the issue is. He's going to replace the light bar. He says it's going to take about an hour. I said, all right, cool, no problem. I'm asking him if it's okay because, mind you, I live in an apartment. I don't have access to a driveway or anything like that. I asked him, is that going to be a problem for my car to be parked on the street for you to fix? He said, nope, it's fine. I could do it right here. And from my window, sure enough, he took the light bar apart and replaced it with a new one. Now, he did get a lot of attention to people walking by. I could see him having conversations with people. I'm like, listen, don't bother the guy. Have him fix my light bar. I want to go to work. When it was all said and done, he calls me back outside. I go outside. He shows me what he's done. He's told me it should have no issues, no problem. He did a little trick on my dash to have all the lights come on to show that the issue has been fixed and resolved. Cool. I do have a question for you guys, though. I'm not going to tell you if I did or didn't, but if a service guy comes to your house and is already free for charge because of your warranty, are you still supposed to tip him? Let me know in the comments. Was I supposed to tip him? I'm not going to tell you if I did or not, but let me know your side of it.
Get you that.
Now, after it was all said and done, the issue was taken care of and the process did handle smoothly. Just didn't like the fact that I had to wait 7 to 8 days to get my car fixed. Now, it also could be the fact that I do live in New York, where we have a lot more people and a lot more Tesla owners. Maybe people who live in smaller towns don't have that issue. But come on, Tesla, do better. Why couldn't the service guy come to my house direct? You already knew what the issue was because I sent you pictures, and you probably could look up the diagnostics of it. There's no need for me to go to a Tesla center and wait that long. But hopefully this is the only issue I have for the remainder of my time with my Tesla vehicle. Hope I don't have to go through that again. What is this? Not again. What the
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.